The world of display technology is abuzz with LG Display's latest innovation. The South Korean giant has unveiled a prototype for blue phosphorescent OLED panels. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize the way we experience smartphones and other devices. The new panels promise significant improvements in power efficiency and lifespan. LG Display is set to demonstrate this game-changing technology at Display Week 2025 in San Jose. Current OLED displays face a persistent challenge: blue pixels. Red and green OLED pixels have achieved high levels of efficiency and longevity. Blue pixels, however, have lagged behind. They require more power to achieve the same brightness, leading to faster battery drain. Additionally, blue pixels degrade faster than their red and green counterparts. This disparity in lifespan can cause issues like color shifts and reduce display quality over time. LG Display's new blue OLED panels tackle these challenges head-on. The company has developed a hybrid technology that combines two types of organic light-emitting materials. A fluorescent blue layer provides longevity, while a phosphorescent blue layer ensures brightness. This innovative approach allows LG to achieve both power efficiency and a longer lifespan for its blue OLED pixels. The impact of LG's breakthrough could be significant. The new blue OLED panels boast a 15% reduction in power consumption compared to existing OLED technologies. This translates to longer battery life for smartphones and other mobile devices. The improved lifespan of the blue pixels also promises more vibrant and accurate colors over the long term. LG Display's innovation could solidify OLED's position as the dominant display technology for years to come.